May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs whether the concerned department has conducted survey and inspection to the project sites?
Sir, no, the survey has not been done. But like I said, since we have received the proposal, so the survey and estimates are yet to be done.
So when you will ask to conduct the surveys?
So I cannot assure or give you the right time of when the survey and estimates will be done, sir, because the Department of Sports, so we receive a lot of proposals. So there are thousands and thousands of proposals. So for me to give you the right, to give you a specific time would be wrong. But sir, then, but I assure the honourable member that survey and estimates will be done, sir.